Welcome to Info Video. I'm Larry Rohr with Ben Franklin Plumbing, and today we're going to talk about how this little device, which we call a sewer camera, can be the difference between guessing and knowing. Sewer clogs can happen. There's nothing convenient about them. Trying to figure out what and where the problem is can be a frustration. Sewer clogs are typically caused by one of three reasons. Pipe breakdowns, where the old sewer pipes can collapse, can crack, can sink. Or foreign objects, where toys or other items can get into the sewer line. And finally, tree roots, which is probably the most often found problem with sewers, are incredibly invasive when searching for water. Since there is a steady source of water in the sewer line, they can break through the pipe and cause major problems. These problems occur in pipes buried underground and inaccessible without excavation. The sewer cam allows us to go to the problem location and investigate the situation. Not only can it tell us what type of clog we're dealing with, but it can also tell us where the clog is. The sewer cam also comes with a built-in locator, and that'll tell us where the clog is exactly, so that when we dig right at the spot where the problem is. Now I'd like to introduce Ron Brackville, our Ben Franklin Plumbing, and he will demonstrate how the camera is used into the sewers.
Thanks, Larry. I'm going to show you now how this camera works. I'm going to take off the vent cap, and we're going to run the camera down through the vent cap. So we just start running it down the pipe. You take the camera and you just run it up through the pipe, up through and toward the house. Okay, again, we're just running it down the pipe, looking for cracks, looking for roots. Could be anything in the pipe. Like Larry told you earlier, it could be a toy in the pipe. I mean, anything at all. Okay, now that I found the problem, if it's roots, we can actually take a jetter and jet the line out, and it just cuts all through them roots. You run the jetter up through the pipe and get rid of the roots. After you do that, then you take the camera and you run the camera back down through the line and make sure that you got them all. If it's just a clog and you want the line cleaned out, we can do the same thing with the jetter. Just run the jetter up through the line and just clean out all the muck and lays inside your sewer line, just lays there. So we can get rid of all that.
Thanks, Ron. So as you can see, a sewer camera to us is like an x-ray before surgery. It allows us to make wise decisions so that we can permanently fix the problem instead of just putting a band-aid on it. Wise decisions save money and time and headaches. The next time you have a sewer clog, don't guess, know who to call. Give Benjamin Franklin Plumbing a call today or visit us on the website.